English essay Yoga. Yoga. Yoga is an ancient and valuable gift to the world. It is not just a physical exercise but also a way to keep our mind and body healthy. Many students get to write an essay on yoga in school to understand its importance. Yoga includes simple activities like asanas, pranayama, and meditation. The word yoga means joining or union. Yoga is more than just stretching the body. It is a way to keep the mind calm and the body strong. Yoga can help people stay healthy, heal the mind stress, happy and active in their daily lives. Yoga is important because it helps us live a healthy, happy, and peaceful life. It teaches us how to balance our body, mind, and emotions. Yoga is not just exercise, it is a way to stay positive and calm even when life is busy and stressful. The benefits of yoga are the good things that happen when we practice yoga regularly. Yoga keeps us healthy and gives us energy. It also helps in making the body flexible and strong. People feel happier and more active when they do yoga daily. Along with it, some additional benefits of yoga are yoga increases flexibility and makes muscles and joints healthy. It helps getting better sleep and more energy. Yoga also boosts the immune system to fight disease. It helps in better digestion and keeps the body light. Yoga reduces tiredness and gives fresh energy throughout the day. There are different types of yoga and each has its own style and benefits. For example, Hatha Yoga, Ashtanga Yoga, Kundalini Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Karma Yoga, etc. It is important for us to choose the type that suits us the best. Practicing yoga regularly is important for living a healthy, happy, and active life. Everyone should understand the importance of yoga and try to make it a part of daily life. Thank you, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe.